Welcome to another episode of Effortless Coding. My name is Samuel and I'm glad that you've joined us. If this is the first time you're watching us on our channel, kindly remember to subscribe and share our videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a new video, you'll be able to get a notification. In this particular episode, we're going to talk about case sensitivity in PHP. Capital A is called uppercase, right? And small a is called lowercase. So in PHP, are they the same or not? There are some languages that will treat them the same, and there are languages that will not treat them the same. So let's do a practical so that you understand that. Then you will decide for yourself if PHP is case sensitive or not. Open your Sublime editor and your browser, just as you can see on my screen. So type $, the word capital in small letters, and say is equals to, then say 67 as a number, then of course end that statement with a semicolon. Then let's do a print statement. So type print in small letters, open brackets. This is also another way you can do a print statement. So open brackets, and within the brackets do 2 double quotes. So within those 2 double quotes, write variable capital is $, capital in small, whatever we wrote previously, and then put a break tag. You remember in HTML we had a break tag, so put that break tag, and then after the last bracket, end it with a semicolon. Remember, we finished that statement. After that, let's go to the next line. Type print. Again, open your brackets, and within it 2 double quotes, and within those 2 double quotes write variable. Now in this case, kindly note the way I'm writing the capital. So write capital C, small a, capital P, small I, capital T, small a, and capital L. Then after that, say is, and then do a variable sign, which is the $sign. Then capital A, small a, capital C, small a, capital P, small I, capital T, small a, and then capital L. Then do a break sign, that is less than BR, then greater than sign, and then after the double quotes and the last bracket, put a semicolon. Now I want you to save this document within your My First PHP project.php, and now go to your browser, as you can see on my screen. Then refresh that particular page, as you can see. Once you do that, let me know if you think PHP, based on your results, let me know if you think PHP is case sensitive or not. If you have, remember we did 2 print statements, and I told you the print statement basically is to show on a browser what you want to show the person who's viewing it. So if you have 2 lines of code, and one has a result and the other one does not, then it would mean, the inference that we'll get from here is that PHP is case sensitive. But if both lines have a result, then it would mean PHP is case insensitive. So I want you to comment down on the comment section if PHP is case sensitive or not, based on the results that you've seen. So as I've said, the first option would be if it writes in the first line, variable capital is, the variable we had assigned a number 67. So you should write in the first line, variable capital is 67. And in the second line, you should also write variable capital is 67. If that is the case, then it means PHP is case insensitive, meaning it does not matter what case you use. But if the first statement is written variable capital is 67, and the next one is variable capital is, and it ends like that, then it would mean that PHP is case sensitive. So I hope you've learned a thing or two in this particular episode of case sensitivity. So until next time, when we'll be tackling PHP variables, it's always Samuel with Effortless Coding, and it's kudos.